Amoxicillin. Formulations: tablet, injection. Dose: amoxicillin, Novamox, Cinemox 250, 500 mg cap, 125 mg 5 ml dry SYR. Amoxil, AMO-X 250, 500 mg caps, 125 mg 5 ml dry SYR, 250, 500 mg vial INJ. Moxilong, amoxicillin 250 mg plus probenecid 500 mg tab. Pharmacological action: it is a close congener of ampicillin, similar to it in all aspects except oral absorption is better, food doesn't interfere with absorption, higher and more sustained blood levels are produced. Amoxicillin given 3 times a day is equivalent to ampicillin given 4 times a day. Incidence of diarrhea is lower. It is less active against Shigella and H. influenzae. It is more active against relatively penicillin-resistant strep. Pneumonia. Therapeutic uses used as antibiotics. Cloxacillin. Cloxacillin. Formulations: capsule, injection. Brand name: Ampiclox, Cloxin, Cloxae, Bioclox, Clox, Amclo. Pharmacological action: it has an isoxalyl side chain and is highly penicillinase as well as acid resistant. Actively against PNG-sensitive organism is weaker, and it should not be used as a substitute of PNG for any other infection. Activity against penicillinase-producing staph is greater than that of methicillin, but not against MRSA. It is incompletely but dependably absorbed from oral route, especially if taken in empty stomach. It is 90% plasma protein bound. Elimination occurs primarily by kidney, also partly by liver. Plasma T-half is about 1 hour. Dose 0.25-0.5 g orally every 6 hours. For severe infection, it may be injected IM or IV. High BP are produced. Therapeutic uses used as antibiotics. Doxycycline. Doxycycline. NOT for children and pregnant women. NEV are used alone, always given in combination with quinine for treatment of CQ-resistant malaria. Formulations: doxycycline hydrochloride capsule IP. Doxycycline dispersible tablets IP. Doxycycline syrup. Brand names: Novadox, Tetradox, Monodox, Adoxa, Doxipal, Doxicip, Doxt, Peristat. Pharmacological action: slowly acting and weak erythrocytic schizontocidal action against all plasmodial species including Plasmodium falciparum resistant to CQ, AMQ and SP. The progeny schizons of doxycycline exposed plasmodia die slowly. However, no clinically useful action is exerted on the pre-erythrocytic stage. Gametocytes and Vivax hypnozoites are also not killed. Therapeutic uses: acne, UTI, intestinal infection, respiratory infection, eye infection, periodontitis, gonococcal urethritis, in malaria. Minocycline. Minocycline. Formulations: minocycline tablet BP. Minocycline capsules BP. Minocycline prolonged release capsule BP. Brand names: Arestin, Minocin, Dynacin, Umgig. Pharmacological action: it acts on both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Because of high lipophilicity, this tetracycline penetrates into M. lepri and is active against them. A dose of 100 mg day produces peak blood levels that exceed mic against M. lepri by 10 से 20 times. Antiliprotic activity of minocycline is less marked than that of rifampin, but greater than that of clarithromycin.